Hello friends, so today we will see the function of the normal slider apart from getting the sharp note. So I am talking about the normal slider and not the reversed one, and we all know that the primary function of a slider is to get the sharp note. So apart from its primary function, there are some other advantages that you can take by pressing the slider. So like one advantage is of course the beautification, ornamentation of the notes, and the second advantage is like if you observe the full octave, then between C and D you have a note that is called C sharp or D flat. Similarly, after D, between D and E, you have D sharp or E flat. But when it's come to E, so there is no E sharp. So if you press the slider at E, you will obtain F note. So what does it mean? It means there are two ways of getting the F note in any normal harmonica, C scale harmonica. So one is you just play the normal draw blow pattern, and the second one is you just press the slider while playing E note. So in this case you have converted that F blow, which is normally blow note, into a draw note. So in that case the E, F, G, this sequence becomes the blow sequence. So in many songs it is sometimes it is very easy to use this sequence. And secondly, if you observe the full octave, the same is the case at B and C. There is no B sharp. If you press the slider at B, you will obtain the C note. So in this case, you have converted the C note, which is normally a blow note, into a draw note. So what is the advantage of doing this thing is that you can play the full octave in two blows and two draws if you use the same pattern. So I will demonstrate it. So you can see C is the blow in this case, D is the draw, then E, F, G, they are again blow, and then after that A, B and C, I have made them draw note. So full sequence can be played, full octave can be played in just two draws and two blows. And when you play songs, so this type of slider movement at E and at B, it is sometimes it makes the song very easy at that particular place. And secondly, for the ornamentation purpose where you have to take the small murki, so there also it is very advantageous. So I will be just taking example of two very simple songs to demonstrate this slider effect. The first song that I am going to take is Agar Tum Na Hote. So it goes like this. Otherwise, so here you can take the advantage of the slider. Second song that I am going to demonstrate is Yaad Kiya Dil Ne Kaha Ho Tum, the Antara part. So I am going to play the Antara. Otherwise, so in this way there are number of different applications of slider. I have just discussed two of such applications. So with if you keep on going practicing, so with more and more practice, you will be able to identify some more advantages of playing the slider. So I hope I have made this point clear. So I will be posting my next video with some of the new thing. So thank you for now.